and welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina, the Fit Barbie, and today I am sharing with you a great arms workout. No equipment to tone and sculpt very nicely these arms. We're gonna do some things also on the mat, but let's start with a little warm-up. Feet just a little bit wider than the hips and just doing some arm rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rolling the shoulders back, and we're gonna start with some punches. First, we're gonna do 20 punches with the right arm. These are also good for the core and for the shoulders as well. So let's go. 20 punches, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 20 times, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No bracelets. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And 20 times we will alternate. Let's go. Strong abs as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Amazing. Relaxing a little bit the shoulders, the arms, and moving on to the shoulder mobility. Bringing the arms here 90 degrees, and we press the palms down. 1, 2, shoulder mobility, but also working the arms. 3, 4, we do this 20 times. 5, 6, 7, inhale up, exhale down. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Amazing. Relaxing the arms. And we go to the second round of punches. This time we're gonna do the hooks 20 times. So on the side, then bringing the fist facing our face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bending a little bit on the side. 7, 8, 9. Engaging the core. 10. Smile on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And we change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 20. We alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Amazing. Relaxing a little bit the arms again, the shoulders. And we're gonna go to the shoulder press. Arms 90 degrees, shoulder level. We lift above the head. 1. Exhaling up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Amazing. Relaxing the arms. And we go to the last round of the punches, this time the uppercuts. Also engaging the core, fist just underneath our chin, elbow down, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. We change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, and we alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Whew, amazing. Relaxing a little bit. Shoulders, the arms. And this time, we're gonna bring the arms shoulder level. And we're just gonna turn the palms up and down 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and strong as well. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. We keep the palms facing up, biceps curls. 1, we touch our shoulders. 2, squeezing the biceps. 3, 20 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, and 20. Amazing. Relaxing the arms. And right now, we will bring again the arms shoulder level, and this time we're going to do little circles. So circles towards the front. There's this fly. Hey, you want to work out with me, fly? Let's go do the workout if you want. Okay, so arms shoulder level, circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Amazing. And if you want, drink a little bit of water, and now we'll only have the triceps exercises on the mat. Almost done. Only 10 minutes. Fast and very efficient. So, right now, going on the mat, we're gonna do 2 things for the triceps. The triceps dips, we have options. The super beginners option, you stay with the bum down, so just here, and you bend, keeping the elbows inside. Very important to keep the elbows inside and not, take them out. Or if you are already, a bit stronger with the arms, you lift the bum up and you lower here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more, we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Amazing. And last 20. We're gonna bring the palms forward, shoulder level. We can cross here the feet, the legs, and we're gonna do kind of a push-up, but with the elbows inside, so the yoga type of push-up. 1, 10 times. 2. If this is too hard for you, you can leave the knees here down And you can, you know, just bring the elbows outside and do this. But if you're strong and you feel like, okay, you can do this, we do 10 of these ones. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 3 we can do it. 8, 9, last one, and 10. Amazing. And we stretch the arms. We breathe. And that's it. Now we're just stretching the arms. One arm to the front, bringing the other one on top of the elbow, and just stretching here, stretching also the shoulders. And the other side. Bringing the arm up and stretching the triceps. You can definitely feel it that it worked. This is very, very good to do, you know, 2-3 times a week to tone the arms, have strong arms, and, you know, get rid of any unwanted fat that sometimes accumulates just here. All these exercises that we did right now are super efficient. Thank you so much for joining. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoy my content and you find it useful. Thank you for your support. Let me know if you enjoyed this workout, and looking forward to see you soon with another amazing video. Fitness and wellness topics always. Great vibes and lots of kisses.